In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or add a phone number in your HubSpot contacts. Managing contact information efficiently can make or break your communication strategy. So let's dive right in and simplify the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide, which you can find by entering its URL in your browser or through your HubSpot dashboard. This guide serves as a comprehensive resource for various tasks within HubSpot, and it's the perfect starting point for our task today. Once you're on the guide page, everything is set up to guide you through seamlessly. Now that you're in the guide, the next step is to locate the Contacts section. This is where all relevant information about individuals or companies you interact with is stored. By clicking on the Contacts tab, you'll open a window to all the contact details you manage. This section serves as your directory and organizing hub for keeping track of essential information. Once you have reached your list of contacts, your focus should shift to the phone number column. Clicking on phone number will allow you to access existing data and prepare for any changes necessary to maintain up-to-date contact records. It's crucial to keep phone numbers current, as they are a primary way to connect with your contacts directly. Finally, you'll see the option marked by a placeholder or a blank space that we'd metaphorically refer to as clicking on "Well." This is your cue to edit or add a new phone number. HubSpot's user-friendly interface will prompt you with fields to enter the updated or new number information. Ensure that you enter the correct number with accompanying country codes, if applicable, to avoid any communication hiccups. With this simple process, you can effectively manage and maintain your contact list within HubSpot, ensuring you're always ready to make those important connections with accurate and reliable information at your fingertips. Remember, keeping this data precise directly impacts the quality of your interaction with clients and colleagues alike. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the essential steps to edit or add a phone number in your HubSpot contacts. Keeping your contact list current isn't just a maintenance task, it's a strategic move to enhance your engagement outcomes. Be sure to explore any other options or settings within the Contacts section of HubSpot to maximize your efficiency and refine how you manage your communication strategies. Thank you for following along, and happy organizing.